Monsieur Scotty.
So, like I said in my previous video,
Whoa.
we will show you guys one piece at a time. I'm not doing this anything. If it takes me 2 hours to do one piece, it's going to take me 2 hours to do one piece. I want it flawless.
You're at about an hour.
And
that is
well, the next piece is going to be a lot longer because I'll show you guys in a
Intricate
second.
cuts.
But
let's go look at this in the light. I can't fit through there. I gotta go all the way around. You skinny sons of bitches.
okay, so here's the new
That
piece,
looks
all wrapped.
Incredible.
It's still drying, so I mean, I can't go in the car, but
That's pretty damn close, actually.
yeah.
Especially once it's all wrapped, it'll probably
Oh
jive.
yeah. But now you can see why this one's going to take a lot longer.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
Yeah,
there's a lot of curves. This one was kind of pretty straightforward, which I'm thankful for.
Curvy.
But I'm impressed with my own work.
Yeah, that's pretty damn
I'm not
nice,
trying to
buddy.
brag. There's people out there that are a million times better,
He's
but
bragging. He's bragging.
I don't do this a lot.
He's bragging.
So, I'm trying to stay as focused as I can to make sure that this is 100% right. So now I'll strip this piece off of its fabric, lay it out, cut my piece to match, and I always add a little bit extra.
Cut my life into pieces.
Right.
This is my last result.
So we'll get this all taken care of.
Yes, it's looking good. My
Yeah,
God,
it's
that's
getting there.
Splendid. Scotty, that's beautiful. It's a
So,
work of art.
Take a screenshot.
Take a screenshot. Ooh, of you holding it like that. Be pretty. Vogue. Vogue.
All right.
So now we can send this to the owner
That looks
and
incredible.
say, hey, we're getting there. Just
It takes time.
yep.
You want it
and
done right?
he's really, really cool. I think he's probably one of the nicest people I've ever met. You know,
Scotty, everybody's the nicest people you ever met.
no, not always.
Because you met me. And you're like, ooh.
We're not even going there on that one.
Yes, dear.
But yeah, this way we can send pictures to the owner to show him the progress
Look at that.
and the videos. So yeah,
A little before and after.
Yep.
Very nice. I'll get it uploaded right now.
Beautiful.
And yeah, carry on,
and
sir.
thank you.